How to enable sensitive content on Telegram. So if you want to enable the sensitive content on Telegram, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Telegram application. Once you open up your Telegram, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that search icon, and you need to search for Nicegram bot. Once you've searched for it, now here you will have your Nicegram bot account or the group. So what you need to do is simply go with the bottom, which has that start. And after that, it will give you this kind of interface which says login to Nicegram website using button below. You just need to simply go and log in. And after that, you can edit by going to the settings. And here you can go with I'm 18 years plus. So you just need to simply go with show sensitive content. And it will, if you have tick on the right side, which is the green color tick, it means that you have enabled the sensitive content on Telegram. In this way, you'll be able to enable sensitive content on your Telegram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.